Can I show you something? This is my most worn summertime pattern. These are called the Allegro bottoms, and they are just the most classic, lightweight, woven, elastic waist bottom. They come in shorts, capris. They come in a skirt that's knee length and maxi length with slits, and they are just like the perfect thing to wear for the summer. I wear mine constantly. I love this pair. It's made in a linen, and I just put them on with everything. I can wear them for walks around the neighborhood. I can wear them out shopping. I can wear them to work. I can just wear them everywhere. And I plan to take them to my beach vacation. I can slip them on over my swimsuit. Either I could do that for both my capri version of these, or the skirts or the shorts, and they're just ideal for this time of year. And if you haven't already gotten your pair of Allegro bottoms, I highly suggest that you pick them up this weekend. They are over half off, and just $6 for a pattern that's normally $12.50. I cannot recommend this pattern enough. And when I say that it is my most worn pattern for the summer, I really mean it. I am just constantly reaching for these. I have another pair in chambray. I have a capri length version in linen again, and actually the same fabric because I just love it in this fabric. I have a version in a double gauze, which is so comfy. I have a pair in a double gauze that in the shorts length. I have this in tons of ways, and I need you to go get this pattern this weekend because you're just gonna love it. I'm wearing this with a ready to wear top, but I am of course wearing my summer basics tank underneath, which is just another staple here, and that was last week's Future Friday pattern. By the way, that is a pattern that you can get in the printed version as well. We don't currently have the Allegros in print yet, but it is one that we've been thinking about getting in print version just because it's such a bestseller. I hope that you go grab some Allegro shorts. They're just perfect for this time of year.
Or if you prefer, I really love the capri length version as well. And you can also get them in jogger. This will be great for summer into fall wearing. I've just paired this with a cute little ready to wear sweater knit dolman style top, but this could easily be made as well with the Labella Donna dolman. And again, I've used the exact same fabric that I did for my shorts. This is a linen blend, and I believe it was from Blackbird Fabrics. I cannot emphasize to you enough how often I wear these Allegro bottoms in both the shorts version and the capri version.
I'm gonna go on vacation. Wish me luck, and make sure that you stay tuned for next week's Future Friday pattern. Every week we feature a new pattern to give a special price to. Let me know if you have any questions about Allegro. I'll get you all the info that you need. Okay, bye.